So like I previously mentioned about A and B, if you look at the bottom of the unit, it shows you port A and port B. So the machine comes with two sets of cables. So when you're connecting the cable into A, you can either connect to your upper back and your lower back, meaning two different areas of the body, or two people can use it at the same time. What's really lovely about it is you can do two different modes at the same time and two different intensities as well. You then connect each of those cables onto one connector of the pad. You then see that they are both tightly secured. After that, you remove them from the protectors and then place them, for example, on your arms. A is connected to my arm, and port B is connected to my neck or on my back. If I look at the interface for A, I'm going to choose mode number 2. So you can either use your finger or just press with the pen. The next step, I'm going to press the plus. Now if I'm on A, on mode number 2, and I'm pressing this button over here in the middle, it switches over to B. I can then choose mode number 5, which is cupping, and then press the plus. I then feel the sensation in the back of my shoulders. I then start to feel more relaxed. Remember, this is just my preference. You can place the pads on any different area of your body. And also, like I showed you previously, all I need to do now is press the lock. Wait for 20 minutes to hit 0 before the machine will then switch off.